In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move contacts in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through how to transfer contact ownership using the mass transfer option, so you can quickly move a group of contacts from one user to another without editing each record one by one. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoho CRM account and that you have the right permissions to transfer records. Typically, only admins or users with higher level access can perform mass transfers. If you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you may need to check with your CRM administrator. Start by heading to the Contacts module. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar of your Zoho CRM interface. Click on Contacts to open the main Contacts page, where you can see your list of all contact records. On this Contacts page, look for the Actions menu. Depending on your layout or theme, this might appear as 3 vertical dots, a wrench icon, or a similar Options button. Click on that Actions button to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose the option labeled Mass Transfer. This is the feature that lets you move multiple contacts from one owner to another in a single action. Once the mass transfer screen opens, you'll first need to specify the new owner. This is the user who will take over responsibility for the selected contacts. You should see a list of users in your organization. Click on the list, choose the correct person, and double-check that you've selected the right user, because this change will affect all the contacts you include in this transfer. Next, you'll define which contacts you want to move. To do this, click on Select Criteria. This lets you filter your contacts based on specific fields, such as the current owner, status, region, or any other criteria available in your setup. Take your time here to narrow down the exact group you want to transfer so you don't accidentally include or exclude important records. After setting your criteria, click Search. Zoho will display the contacts that match your filters. This is your chance to review the list carefully. Scroll through the results and make sure they're the ones you actually intend to move. When you're satisfied with your selection, proceed to confirm the transfer. Zoho may show you a summary of the change. Read this over, and if everything looks correct, confirm to complete the process. The ownership of those contacts will now be updated to the new user, and that's how you move contacts in Zoho CRM using mass transfer.